Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can utilize your corners or even rooms into a beautiful way. This is my Namaz corner, a space that brings calm, light and closeness to Allah. I chose this matching rug and prayer mat with my Quran and with the Mehrab and with the wall art. I started with a golden Allah light and a small Khana Kaba display and a simple Mehrab to create a soothing spiritual vibe. Here's how the room looked before, empty, plain and waiting for a peaceful touch. I wanted a corner that feels organized, beautiful and filled with barakah. Next, I'm unboxing my new storage cabinet. I chose white to go with my Mehrab theme. It has glass doors so my Islamic books and Qurans can be beautifully seen from the inside. It took me about an hour to assemble it by myself, but it was worth every minute literally. Then I started working on the Mehrab wall using a thermocol sheets for the base, wall panels on the top and adding soft neon lights on the sides to make it glow. Right now I'm cutting the thermocol sheets to make the design of my Mehrab and then stick it to the wall with wall panel sheets to make it look like a tile view, and you're gonna see it. Now I'm putting the neon light on the corners of the Mehrab so each and every corner of the Mehrab will glow with a yellow light and give some spiritual vibe. To complete the setup, I added moon and star lights on the windows and beautiful Islamic wall art with the wall panels on two sides of my room. At the night, the whole area glows so peacefully. Now my prayer area is in final touch stage and it's time to organize my storage. So I'm placing my Quran and Islamic books on the top shelf and Bahur in the middle and folded the prayer mats with the toppies at the bottom. I intentionally chose the cabinet with the open space in the middle so that I can put the Bahur and it can fill out my room with the fragrance. And here you go with the final look of my prayer room. A calm space filled with light, fragrance and faith. May this inspire you to create your own prayer corner, a small space that brings peace to your heart and to your home.